this is June Penny, and before I get into this review, let me just remind you that anything you buy from UNIWIGS is giving you an amazing code. Use the code June15 at checkout to get 15% off anything you order from UNIWIGS. And yeah, let's get on with the review. Everyone, it's June and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am reviewing this beautiful topper from UNIWIGS. It's called the Top Secret Topper, and I am in love. This is a silk base, silk part topper. This is the color number 1B. It is 16 inches long and 130 density. So now let me tell you, before I show you the inside of the topper, I want to tell you a little bit about what UNIWIGS is offering. They are offering a fit kit. Now in this fit kit, because let's face it, when you invest in a topper, you want to be confident in knowing that you're getting what you want. You want the base to cover your thinness, and you want the color to match perfectly. So what they're offering is they will send you, you have to buy it. You buy this fit kit, but you get 100% refund when you're done with your fit kit and you send it back to UNIWIGS. So rest assured, everything is fine there. So in your fit kit, you will get 3 base sizes. This is what determines what, your hair loss. So what you do with these 3 bases, you put it against your head and you see if this is the right coverage for you. This is what you really would be covering as far as the topper itself. That is in 5x5, and then we have, this is in, let me see, this is in 7x8. Now, one shows a free part. This shows a side part. See, side part. And this is 7x8, and then you have a 9x9. This is the biggest one. So this will cover so much more. Okay, in your fit kit, which I think is amazing because we want to feel secure in knowing that we're getting the right color. So in your fit kit, you will also get a color sample. This clips into your hair so that you can color match your hair. This way it could just blend seamlessly and you're going to feel good when you order from UNIWIGS. So I think that this is an amazing thing that they're offering. Okay, so now let me show you the inside of it. So this is the inside of the topper. It is gorgeous. It's 6.5 by 7. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. And what I love about this is it has a front comb, so it holds the front down nice and flush to your head. It has layers in it, long layers, which I love because it frames the face just beautifully. And this is how gorgeous, look at this. This gorgeous hair is absolutely stunning. I love it. Yes, isn't she lovely? So anyway, you guys, go enjoy UNIWIGS. The link is down below, and in the comment section it will be pinned. Don't forget to use my code June15 at checkout, and just whatever you buy from UNIWIGS, use that code and get 15% off. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this topper. Let me know if you have a topper and what you think about it. Mwah! I will see you in my next video. Bye.